everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create buttons for your Canvas homepage. So I'm starting off in our Canvas Framework course, and on the Create Buttons page there are a couple resources for you. So the first resource is an IRAD, which will just show you how you can download the buttons from Canva and insert them into a Canvas page. The next resource is what we are going to take a look at in this video. It's where you can use a template to create your own buttons in Canva. So to use this template, you'll just click on the icon, and then you'll see a preview of the button template. If you don't already have a Canva account, it may prompt you to sign in, and you can create an account with your SPS Google credentials. You can also sign up for a Canva EDU account, which they will just need verification that you are a teacher, and then usually 24 hours later, they will upgrade you to the EDU account. So to use this template, I'm going to select Use Template. And then you'll see that there's just one page in this template, and you can add more pages by clicking the plus icon here to duplicate the page, or adding the page here. And then you'll want to fill this entire page with your button. So I'm going to actually delete everything here. We're going to just start with a fresh new page. Right, so to create a button, you'll want to use the elements. So if you go to the left side, select elements, and then you can search for things like, if I search for circle, there are some options that appear that I can choose to make my buttons. So let's see, what do I want to choose? I think I'm going to use this one. All right, and so this button particularly, I can change the color. So if I go to the top, I can change the color here. I'm going to make it an orange, yellowish color because that will match my course. All right, and then here I just need to make the button fill the page entirely, and I'm going to make sure it's centered. All right, and so now I'm going to add text to my button. So think about where you want students to navigate in your course, because we're going to link these from your Canvas homepage. So if I want students to access a specific module, I can add text by going to text on the left side, selecting Add a Heading, right, and then I can insert what text I want. So this week, May 10th to May 14th. I can highlight this, and on the top toolbar I can edit my font. So I'm going to use the Sailor's font. All right, I can make this a little larger by clicking and dragging the edges and then centering it on the button. Okay, so this is my first button, and then so now I just want to duplicate this button so that way they're all the same size with the same text. So I can just duplicate the page, and then here I can edit the text. So this one I can link it to previous modules, which will link to a page where students can access modules from previous weeks. I can add another page, duplicate it. I can add a Contact Mrs. Hayes button. So that way, if students or families need to access my contact information, they can there. And I'm going to add one more button. And here I'm just going to put about this course. And so here I can link to a course syllabus. I can link to a page outlining what this course is all about. So now I have 4 buttons. All right, and again, you can create as many buttons as you want. I'm just starting off with 4 here. All right, so I'm going to download each of these. Since they are not animated, I'm just going to download them as a PNG file. And make sure you select transparent background, because this will make it so this white background does not show in Canvas when you upload them. And then I'm just going to select one page at a time and download them. So I'll go through this process 4 times since I have 4 buttons. And the only reason I am making it so that I'm doing it one by one is so that it does not download in a zip file. If I download all 4 pages at the same time, it will download a zip file, which is okay, but then I have to go in and unzip the file. So I'm downloading my last page here. All right, and so now they are all 4 individually in my downloads folder. So now I'm going to go to Canvas, and you can see I already have started my home page here by inserting my banner. So I'm going to edit this page, and I already have a table set up where I can insert each of my buttons. So I'm going to insert these right under the banner. I'm going to highlight this row and make sure everything's centered. And then I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Upload Image. Again, if you click anywhere in the box, your Downloads folder will show up. And then I'm going to insert my button just by clicking it, and from my Downloads folder, selecting Open, and select Submit. So again, the images will show up pretty large at first. You'll just want to select the image, go to Image Options, and I'm going to try and select medium. Yep, and then that will be a good size for my buttons there. And this way they will all be the same size. So I'm going to go to the next box, upload my second image, press Submit. Again, this is rather large, so I'm going to select the image, select the image option, select medium, and I'm just going to continue this process. Upload image, select my third image, submit, select the image, image options, medium, done. And then my last one, upload image, submit, select the image, image options, and select medium. I'm finished, so I'm going to go ahead and select save. All right, so now we can see our buttons are in the correct order. So now I want to link my buttons. I'm going to show you how I can link this first one here. So we are going to want to edit the page and then select the button, go up to the top, select insert, link. You can use external links, which will take students to somewhere outside of Canvas, or you can go to insert link course links, and this will open up an option menu on the right. And I want to link to a module, so I'm going to select modules, and I'm going to select May 10th to May 14th. Here you can also link to different areas in your course, the course navigation, discussions, announcements, quizzes, assignments, and pages. So I'm just going to select this for the module, and I'm going to press save, and I'm going to make sure that my button works. If I click it, and it takes students directly to that module. All right, so you'll want to go through and link each of your buttons to specific areas in your course or to specific areas outside of Canvas.